Hey everybody, it's Joel Irway with dailyfeexamprep.com, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the distance between 2 points on a straight line. Now, if you're following along with the general FE exam specification, this is going to be under the topic of mathematics and advanced engineering mathematics, with particular focus on the analytic geometry and trigonometry section. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the problem. So today's problem is, what is the length of a line with a slope of 1/2 from the point 2, 3 to the y-axis? Okay, so to start, we want to write the equation that we have for the general form of a straight line, which we know is y equals mx plus b. And so what we want to solve for right now is we need to find out where that y-intercept is. And we know that the y-intercept is labeled as b. So let's go ahead and plug in our points to see what we come up with for the y-intercept. So we have the point y, which we know is 3, equals our slope, which is 1/2, times x, which is 2, plus b. So solving for that, we have 3 equals 2/2, which is going to be equal to 1, plus b. And when we solve for that, we know that b is going to be equal to 1. So our y-intercept is going to happen at point 0, 1. So now that we know that our y-intercept is going to happen at point 0, 1, we now have 2 points. Okay, so when we have 2 points, we know that we can incorporate the distance formula. So we know that the distance formula, which is located on page 18 of the NCEES Supplied Reference Handbook, is given to us as d is equal to the square root of y2 minus y1 squared plus x2 minus x1 squared. So now that we have the 2 points, we can just input those points into the distance formula and come up with our answer. Okay, so let's go ahead and write down our 2 points. So we know that point 1 is going to be 2, 3, which was given in the formula, and point 2 is going to be 0, 2, and that's what we solve for with b. Okay, so we have x1 equals 2, x2 equals 0, y1 equals 3, and y2 equals 2. And then we can just go ahead and plug that into our distance formula. So we have d equals the square root of y2 minus y1 squared plus x2 minus x1 squared, which equals square root of 2 minus 3 squared plus 0 minus 2 squared, which equals the square root of 1 plus 4, which equals the square root of 5. Okay, so let's take a look at our answers, and right there we have square root of 5, which is labeled as letter A. So that is our answer. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, and please like the video and share it with all of your engineering friends. It would mean the world to me to help spread this movement of daily FE exam prep. So thanks again. This has been Joel Irway, and I'll see you in the next video.